What I'd like each of you to do is to take the 5 words that you have written and put it next to each of those boxes that you have. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So write whatever your words are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, next to those boxes. So whatever your 5 words are, in order of easy to difficult. And you're going to do the same thing that I did. You're going to identify the sounds in those words. Whereas I sounded those words out and asked you to identify those sounds, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to count the sounds that you hear in the words that you have chosen, and you're going to mark it in those boxes. So again, what we're doing is combining several different skills at once, and we're working on phonemic awareness. Okay. So one at a time, tell me, starting from easiest, count the sounds in your words. And mark it in the box. What's your first word?
Exhaust.
Exhaust. How many sounds do you hear in exhaust? Okay, mark it in the box. Just put a spot in the box. Okay, so we don't have a marker. What's your next word?
Taunt.
Taunt. How many sounds? Okay. In the box. Next.
No. That would be wrong. Odd.
Okay, now again, what can you define those words verbally?
Yeah. So exhaust is part of the car. To taunt is to pickle or to tease. To gnaw is to spite and chew. So the audience is what it is. The audience is like a group of people who watch a show and just watch it.
Okay. What are your 5 words? Star. Scroll, you mean? Okay. What's the definition of scroll? What do you think that is? Okay, what's your next word? Well, first of all, how many sounds do you have in scroll? 2? Okay. Scroll. Scroll. Oh, yeah. No. Scroll. That's a tough one. That probably should have been one of your more difficult words as far as counting sounds. We have at least 2 there. So let's just settle on 2. What's the next word? No. Okay, how many sounds do you have? Okay, what's next? Audience? How many sounds? 3? Sound them out. Audience. 3, 4? What's your next word? Which one? Vault? How many sounds do you hear? Vault. Doing fine. Is that the last one? How many more do you have? That's 4 words or 5? Is that number 5? Okay. Can you give me a definition for vault? Huh? Energy? In a sense, yes, but when you say energy, what does that mean? Okay, vault is when you get over something, or it can be like if you work at a bank. It can be a vault when you lock your things up. So there's multiple definitions there that you can use. Could you use something like that in a sentence like vault? You go to the bank and you put your things in the vault. had to ask you, could you use your words in a sentence?
So the first one is always say, black smoke came out of my exhaust yesterday.
Okay.
For the second one is time. My mom taunted me yesterday. And the dog, saying the dog was gnawing on my shoes. And then for raw, saying the steak was raw.
Okay.
And for audience, saying the audience clapped after the show.
Okay, good. Both is good responses from both of you. Now, this is what I'd like for you to do. I want you to take 2 words from your 5, and we're gonna do what's called a word map. I want you to write the word down on your paper there. Then I want you to write a synonym for the word. That means the same. I want you to come up with an antonym for the word, which is the opposite. I want you to find the exact definition of the word. And finally, I want you to create a sentence using the word. Just as you got practice using before, you can use some of the same sentences you created. Or you can come up with a completely different sentence. So you're gonna come up with 4 things for your word map. Now, you can be as creative as you like as far as how you wanna put it together. You can use the same strategy you used before with the Frayer model, where you can put it in that note card format. But all you really need to have is the information. You can be as creative as you like. But you're gonna have the word, you're gonna have an antonym, you're gonna have a synonym, you're gonna create a sentence using the word, and you need to use a definition for the word. So, take a few moments to do that, and we'll talk about it once you finish.